Welcome to the transaction flow overview of equipment lease finance for Aluform. We will explain how this financing option works for you. The process starts by assessing the Aluform requirement of your project. Leasing option is more suitable if the period of use of Aluform is less than 24 months or the number of expected repetitions is less than 72 times. So, first step is to determine the period of use of the aluminium formwork setup. Then, a comparative rental cost is negotiated between you and K-Nest. This is arrived at after applying a certain percentage of rental discount on the market selling price for aluminium formwork. The discount depends on your financial score. This cost is then divided by the period of lease to arrive at the monthly scheduled payments. Prachay provides you an equivalent amount of loan that can be serviced by this monthly scheduled payments. This is the value of upfront lease rentals payable by you to K-Nest for use of Aluform over the lease period. To illustrate, let's consider an example. Suppose you need 6,500 square meters of Aluform for a usage period of 24 months. The market selling price is Rs 12,500 per square meter, and based on your financial score, you are eligible for a discount of 20%. So your comparative rental cost is Rs 6 crore 50 lakhs. If this is apportioned over the lease period of 24 months, your monthly scheduled payment comes to approximately Rs 27 lakhs 8,000. This monthly scheduled payments or EMIs include finance cost as well as principal amount. Hence, the discounted value or present value of these monthly scheduled payment or equal monthly installment is the loan amount or the upfront lease rental payable by you to K-Nest for use of Aluform over the lease period. In addition to this, you will provide an interest-free refundable cash collateral equivalent to 25% of your loan amount to secure the arrangement. This cash collateral is returned after the complete repayment of loan and return of lease equipment to the lessor. So, by this arrangement, you get a comfortable payment schedule to pay for the use of Aluform over the usage period, and that too at no additional cost.